Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and of course don't forget to subscribe. Today I have a cool product to show you, and that is smart door lock model Aqara S2 from Xiaomi. How cool is that, huh? So don't go away. Okay, here we go. I already placed all of the contents of the box here in front of me. There is a lot of stuff, so I already know that I will have to have some help install it into my door. Let's start with the things you install into the door, the stuff you don't see later. Here are some different sizes of screws, sea-level cylinder lock made from stainless steel, and 3 keys for that lock. That's it, and here is a connection part for door handles which go through the door. Okay, here is the buckle, and of course lock body with 3 pins. I can show you. Okay, and the plan how to install this lock. And here I saw the first problem, because my door has standard 1 pin lock, and when I see this lock body, I'm pretty sure that I will have to redo the whole door. Bad for me. But if you have this type, that is 6068 standard lock body already in your door, installation is quite simple. You just take Alt out and place this one in. Piece of cake. This smart door lock fits for both left open and right open door. You just have to unscrew these screws and turn this pin around in the way you want. Okay, this is very heavy. I like it a lot. I can see the quality, how well it's made. I'm surprised. Okay. And here is the second thing I'm worried about: a building template or position chart, because everything is in Chinese. I don't know if you could see this. I don't know. Okay. This will be fun. Otherwise, it's really well made. You can see the numbers and everything, but Chinese language, I don't know. Okay, for door installers that is no big deal. They know how to read these kind of charts, so I hope I will find one that he could do that to me, for me. And now the door handles. I like them. They are, you can see they are really well made. And heavy too. Okay, the length is 37.5 centimeters and the width is 7.5 centimeters. So I like the design. They are cool. Okay, let's take a look at the inner door side handle. Here at the top, it's a battery cap for 8 batteries. Like I said, batteries are included. Just a second that I close this. Okay, the handle with the unlock button here, and at the bottom it's a counter lock button. So that's for inner side. Okay, and now outside of the door handle, here at the top you have a doorbell. In this area it's a password touchscreen. Here in the handle, it's a fingerprint recognition sensor. It's very sensitive and good quality. Here we have emergency keyhole, And at the bottom here, I go closer, it's USB power plug. If you run out of batteries, it's a lifesaver. And if you don't have a keys with you. Okay, that's it all for today. I placed the link below the video for those who want to check the detailed information about this smart door lock. What can I say? Don't forget to subscribe and see you soon. Bye.